Hello and welcome to my channel and to my first video. Here I will briefly explain to you what this channel is about. So let's start with myself. My name's Lukas, I'm 25 years old and I'm an engineer from Germany. Currently I'm working in a small office and I develop suspension parts for car brands all over the world. But now I want to start some of my own stuff. This is why I opened this channel, to show you some of my projects and to discuss them with you. So you can be looking for CAD, simulations, calculations and much more. But since you should start with small steps, we will also start with a small object, which is already quite an extensive project. A mini Porsche. It is supposed to be a 1:6 model of a Porsche G model from the 1980s, which should run on the combustion engine. So my first real video will be about the project itself, how I imagine to do some things, and I can already show you some of my CAD models and the first concepts which I already created. I'm really looking forward to what this channel and those projects could become, and I'm very curious about what you think about it. So, in this sense, have a beautiful day and see you soon. Bye.